Welcome to the Share Control Board. Share Control Board is an add-on to Microsoft 365. There are many advantages to using the Share Control Board. With Share Control Board, you and your board have a complete board archive with an overview of completed and upcoming board meetings. You'll save both time and money, get better control and follow-up. You get a SIN with the board work. Libraries can be modified and adapted to your needs. Overview and calendar for the board and shareholders. And task function. When the board's meeting overview is used, it's easy for board members to orient themselves in previous meetings and its documentation, and to have access to documents for future board meetings once they are made available. There are also separate archives for other information that are made available to the Board of Directors, such as interim reports, financial statements, annual reports, internal control reports, risk assessment, and share register. In conclusion, Share Control Board is an add-on to Microsoft 365. You will have full control over the board's handling of documents. Share Control will help you with the set of libraries, metadata, and user interfaces during installation. You'll manage users yourself, assign and change access and rights. PowerPoint search engine that offers various options for downloading documents. You work in the cloud, and everything is available everywhere. You share documents that allow more people to work simultaneously in documents. In addition to the Share Control Board, Share Control also has solutions for IFRS 16, contract, finance, and accounting on the same platform that is fully integrated into Microsoft 365. Buy Share Control Board today.